Let me be clear about something. Advocating for AI automation doesn't mean I want people to lose their job. In fact, it's the complete opposite. AI is not about replacing people. It's about releasing people from work that's repetitive, meaningless, and draining, so they can focus on things that actually move the business forward and bring them satisfaction. Let's talk about small businesses first. Most small businesses have to run lean. You don't have the budget or the manpower of a big corporation. Every dollar counts. Every minute matters. And if your employees are spending their days doing manual repetitive tasks, copying data from one system to another, responding to the same customer questions over and over, manually confirming appointments, that's time and energy that's not creating profit. Imagine this: you run a fitness studio with 3 staff. One person spends 2 hours a day replying to messages just to confirm trial bookings. That's 10 hours a week, 40 hours a month. You're basically paying a full week salary just to send messages that an AI receptionist could handle automatically and more consistently. Now, imagine freeing that person to do something different, like reaching out to past clients, upselling memberships, or even building a social media presence. Those are tasks that can grow the business. That's where AI becomes an amplifier, not a threat. Here's another. Some employees are stuck in what anthropologists David once called bullshit jobs. These are jobs where people secretly feel their work doesn't matter, like updating spreadsheets all day or manually transferring numbers just to meet a hot deadline. Automation gives people a way out. It gives them the breathing space to rethink what they want to do, and more importantly, what they can do. And learning new skills today is easier than ever. You don't need a diploma, you don't need a degree. YouTube is free, courses are everywhere. Someone working at a retail counter today could learn to automate their inventory updates or create a chatbot that answers customers' FAQs, all just by following online tutorials and experimenting. That curiosity, that willingness to learn, is what makes someone irreplaceable in the age of AI. Now, from the business perspective, automation doesn't just save time, it creates capacity. When your operations are lean, every new customer matters. But without automation, scaling becomes painful, because for every 10 new customers, you need one more admin person. That's not sustainable. AI automation helps break that barrier. You can handle more volume than the same number of people, which means higher profits without burnout. And when your employees learn to use these tools, they become even more valuable. Imagine a marketing assistant who learns to use AI to generate ad copy, track campaign data, and segment customer lists automatically. That person is no longer a cost. They are a growth engine. That's the real opportunity here. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces tasks. And it gives people a chance to work smarter, not harder. Now let's talk about something a lot of people overlook. Small businesses don't have redundancy budgets. Big corporations can afford to keep people on the payroll even if they are underutilized. They have the cash reserves, the scale, the buffer. But small business owners, you don't. Every employee needs to count. Every function needs to contribute. That's why automation is not optional anymore. It's survival. Without it, you're either burning your team out or losing profits to inefficiency. With automation, you can stay lean, keep your costs down, and actually pay people more because the business becomes more profitable. It's a win-win when done right. If you're a small business owner wondering how you can start automating, I've made it easy for you. Fill up the form in the link below. It just takes a minute. Once you submit it, you'll get a personalized suggestion emailed to you. A simple roadmap for your first automation, whether it's from lead management, bookings, or customer support. So before you say AI is taking jobs, I want you to think. Maybe it's giving us a better way to work. Thanks for watching. If this helped to shift your perspective on AI and the future of work, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Every week I talk about real-world automation, tools, workflows, and strategies that help small businesses stay competitive without burning out their teams. Let's build smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.